Now it is bills of exchange. That is a second question today. If you go to the question, on 1st January 2015, Mohan goods sold worth rupees 25,000 to Pradeep. Mohan draws on Pradeep 3 bills for rupees 8,000, 10,000 and 7,000. These bills were for 1 month, 2 months and 3 months respectively. The first bill was endorsed to his creditor Adarsh. The creditor is, his name is Adarsh. The second bill was discounted with bank for rupees 9,875 and the third bill was sent to the bank for collection. On the due date, all the bills were duly met by Pradeep, past journal entries to the books of Mohan, Pradeep and Adarsh. All the bills were met by Pradeep, means all the bills were honored on the due date. Okay, means honored means on the due date, okay, drawee has fulfilled his payment. Okay, he is paid to whatever is on the bill amount. Okay, that is first bill, second bill and third bill. That is only the question here. In this, if you see, in this there is a 3 parties. Not only 3, bank also it is included. Okay, and bank bill sent to bank for collection also. Okay, if you see, that is the parties, main parties, that is Mohan goods sold to Pradeep. In this one, Mohan goods sold to Pradeep and Mohan draws the bill and accepted by Pradeep and okay, accepted by Pradeep and signed on the bill by Pradeep and given that is the bill to Mohan. So whatever is the bill, okay, bill, so in Mohan point of it is bills receivable and Pradeep point of it is bills payable. Bills receivable and bills payable. Okay, so finally between them there is a bill is passed. Okay, so finally Mohan draws the Pradeep 3 bills, that is 8,000, 10,000 and 7,000 like this. Okay, so the first bill, second bill and third bill. Okay, first bill, second bill and third bill. So first bill is sent to Adarsh. He is called as, okay, the name it is called as endorser. Endorse. Okay, it is called as endorse. That is only is given 1 month. The first bill is endorsed to his creditor. His name is Adarsh, means Mohan. The first bill sent to Adarsh. Okay, he is called as endorsee. Endorsee. So Mohan called as endorser. But in the parties of the relation between the Mohan and Pradeep, the parties name as here drawer and here drawee. Drawer and drawee. Okay, drawer and drawee. The relation between Mohan and Pradeep, drawer and drawee. But if you come to the Mohan and Adarsh relationship, it is a Mohan is the endorser and Adarsh is a endorsee. Okay, so Mohan creditor is Adarsh. The whatever the first bill is sent to Adarsh, endorsed to Adarsh. Okay, next second bill is discounted in the bank. Discounted in bank. Second bill is discounted in bank. And third bill sent to bank for collection. Bill sent to bank for collection. Means before the due date of the one, okay, bill sent to bank for collection. Okay, so that is the due dates. If you come to the due dates, so first bill is a 1 month from 1st January to 1 month, means 4th of Feb 2015, that is the due date of the bill. Okay, due date. So the maturity of the date of first bill is 4th of Feb only, and the second bill is 2 months. Okay, so why is it 4 means, so first to first it is a 1 month, and we should be added 3 days the grace days, that is okay. If we add this, that is a 3 days, that is called, that is 4th February, 4th of February 2015. And if we come to second bill, the due date is 2 months. Okay, the term period bill, okay, bill day, bill dates, bill number of months of the bill is 2 months. Okay, from 1st January to 2 months. Okay, that is 4th of March 2015. We should be at 3 days grace days. Okay, it should be. And if you come to the third bill, the due date of the bill is 4th of April 2015. 4th April 2015. Okay, these are only the due dates of the bills. Okay, in this bill, first bill is endorsed to his creditor, and second bill discounted in the bank, and third bill sent to bank for collection. Okay, finally on the due date, okay, all the bills were collected, made by Pradeep, that is collected by, okay, collected amount on that bill. But first bill, okay, Mohan doesn't has a Mohan, because of Mohan sent to Adarsh. So finally that is a Pradeep directly, that is amount is sent to Adarsh, because of who holds the bill, that is the amount on that bill is sent to, that is the particular party only. Okay, and second bill also, that is a discounted in the bank. Okay, that is the reason. So the finally on the due date of the 4th March, okay, directly Pradeep sent to amount to the bank only, but not Mohan. And third bill, that is a third bill, Mohan sent to bank for collection purpose. Okay, and before the due date of the bill, few days before, okay, few days before the bill due date, the bill sent to bank for collection, because of bank directly collected amount on that particular bill. Okay, that is only the reason. Few days before of the days of the bill due dates, that is a bill sent to bank for collection purpose. Okay, so finally that is a Mohan received amount on that 4th April 2015, but that is the amount is directly deposited in his bank account only. Okay, so finally with this overall the question information only, this one we should be write entries for this one. Okay, next we can go for journal entries. So first of all, we should be write entries in the books of Mohan. Okay, in the books of Mohan. So that is a goods sold by Mohan on 1st January, that is 2015, 1st Jan. Okay, goods sold, that is to Pradeep. So it's a credit transaction. So Pradeep account to debit to sales account. The amount is 25,000. Okay, write narration being goods sold to Pradeep on credit. So we should be mentioned either it is a purchase transaction or sales transaction. Is it the transaction is a credit or cash transaction? We should be clearly mentioned that. Okay, so every entry, every purchase or credit, purchase or sales entries, the narration is very important. That is it the credit transaction or okay cash transaction? We should be mentioned in the narration. That is only the important point in the narration. Next, on the same day, Mohan draws on Pradeep 3 bills. Okay, we are assumed in this one does not give any date. Okay, so that is the reason we are assumed on same day, that is bills are drawn by Mohan. Okay, so that is if it is a bills draws, bills receivable account to debit, to Pradeep account. To Pradeep account. So that is 1st January only. Amount is 25,000, 25,000. Okay, but here he draws 3 bills. Okay, so I have written only 1 entry instead of writing 3 entries. Okay, so write here narration being 3 bills for rupees 8,000, 10,000 and 7,000 drawn on Pradeep. Okay, 3 bills is drawn on Pradeep. Okay, so I have clearly mentioned in the narration. Okay, only that is the 3 bills drawn on only one name, no, that is Pradeep. Okay, that is the reason I have written only 1 entry. Next entry is first bill. Whatever the first bill. Next, the first bill is endorsed to Adarsh. The first bill is endorsed to Adarsh. So that is the reason. So here also we are assumed that 1st January is on the same day he sent to his bill endorsed to Adarsh. That is 1st January Adarsh account debit to bills receivable account. Here only one bill, that is the first bill only sent endorsed to Adarsh. Okay. Hence the first bill amount is 8,000. Right, 8,000, 8,000. The debit side and credit side. Finally, the narration is being the first bill for rupees 8,000 was endorsed to Adarsh. Okay, finally the first bill is endorsed to Adarsh. Like this you can write narration. And after that, second bill. The second bill was discounted with the bank for rupees 9,875 rupees. If it is a bill discounted in the bank, here also we are assumed that is the 1st January only. Okay, so if it is a bill discounted in the bank, the entry is bank account debit, discount account debit, to bill only discounted in the bank, na? So bills receivable account. So the bank we received. Who is received? We have written entries in the books of Mohan. Okay, so Mohan received cash if the bill discounted in the bank. So how much he received? Okay, actually the bill amount is 10,000. Okay, instead of that is a 10,000 amount, but if it is discounted in the bank, he received only 9,875 rupees only. So 9,875 rupees you can write straight to bank account. And actually the second bill amount is 10,000 rupees. So bills receivable account, okay, you can write 10,000 rupees. The difference amount is, okay, that is 125 rupees. Okay, the difference amount is called as discount. Okay, so why we have written means the discount is a loss, losses should be debited, okay, as per nominal account. Okay, so that is only the one. And write narration being the bill discounted with the bank. Okay, that is only the narration. And next one, the third bill. Third bill was sent to bank for collection. Okay, if it is a bill sent to bank for collection, the entry is bill sent to bank for collection account debit, bill sent to bank for collection account debit to bills receivable account. If you receive the bill, then you should be debited the bills receivable. If it is a bill goes out from you, then you should be credited the bill. This is the bill is sent to bank for collection is a third bill. Okay, that is a third bill is a 3 months. Okay, finally on the due date. Okay, due date, that is 3 months of the due date is 4th April. Okay, so we received, that is a 4th April. Instead of writing that is 4th April, you can write 4th April. Sorry for that. 4th April. Okay, 4th April, the bill sent to bank for collection. So the amount is, the third bill amount is 7,000. So write narration, that is being bill sent to bank for collection on due date. Okay, on the due date only the bill sent to bank for collection, because of up to the end of the up to the due date of the bill is held by Mohan only. Okay, so on the due date bill sent for bank for collection. Okay, next, so finally bill sent to bank for collection, and finally he received amount. Mohan received amount from bank. Okay, right, that is a entry for this. Whenever you bill amount you will collected, that is entry is bank account debit to bill sent to bank for collection account. The bill amount is 7,000. Okay, the due date is 4th April. Okay, in this situation, in this question, all the bills are honored on the due date. That is the reason there is no other entry. If it is a dishonor, we should be write again dishonor entry also in the books of Mohan. So write in narration for this, being the bill amount collected by bank on the due date. Okay, bill amount collected on the due date. That is only the narration. These are only the entries in the books of Mohan. Okay. Next, general entries in the books of Pradeep. General entries in the books of Pradeep. Okay. If it is the general entries in the books of Pradeep, he is a drawer, so again we should be draw the general entry format again. So from first onwards we should be writing again. So Mohan goods sold to Pradeep. Okay, here Mohan sold and Pradeep can be purchased. Okay, if it is in the books of Pradeep, okay, so Pradeep point of it is purchases. So we should be write purchase entry, that is a credit purchases entry, that is purchases account debit. Purchases we should be debited now. Purchases account debit to from whom we purchased? Mohan. So to Mohan account, because of it is credit transaction to Mohan account. Total 25,000 rupees. So write narration, that is being goods purchased from Mohan on credit. Okay, we should be mentioned either it is credit transaction or cash transaction for purchase and sales. Okay, definitely. Okay, that is only the first entry. And 1st January, okay, was he accepted the bill. Okay, he accepted the bills. Okay, that is point of it is bills bills payable. So bills payable, it's a we should be credited the one, and that we should be debited the Mohan account. Mohan account debit, because of he is the receiver. As per personal account, debit the receiver, na. So Mohan is the receiver, we should be debited it, and to bills payable account. Bills payable account, that is 25,000. Okay, for three, actually drawn by three bills, na. Okay, we have written only one entry. Instead of writing three entries, we have written one entry, that is right narration being three bills of rupees 8,000, comma rupees 10,000 and 7,000 rupees, 7,000 bills accepted. Okay, that is only the narration for this one. After accepting these three bills by the Mohan, okay, so that is Pradeep. Okay, Pradeep, on the due date, Pradeep, all the bills were on all bills Pradeep can be settled, that is a amount. So you can write that is a entry. For first bill, the due date of first bill is that is 4th February. So you can write on 4th February, 4th Feb 2015. Okay, so if it is accepted, that means Pradeep only paid amount. Okay, Pradeep only paid amount. Here we are assumed that is all the transactions is done by, that is a payment made by through bank. Okay, so if it is, we should be debited that one. So bills payable account debit to bank account, or we can write cash account also, no problem. Okay, so this is the 4th February only on first bill. The first bill amount is 8,000. So you can write amount only 8,000, and write narration being the bill is honored on the due date, being the first bill honored on due date. That is only the narration we should be right. Next, and second bill also is honored on the due date. The second bill of due date is, here we are seeing that is 4th of March. Okay, that is the 4th of March of the due date. On the due date, okay, Pradeep paid amount to the Mohan. So 4th March. So write date 4th March. Bills payable account debit to bank account. So the second bill amount is 10,000. So the narration is being the second bill honored on due date. Okay, second bill also is honored on the due date. Okay, finally, who has the bill? Okay, to them the Pradeep has to be paid amount to one. Okay, and next entry, last bill. The last bill is 3 months of the period now. So that is the for last bill. The due date of the third bill is 4th April 2015. 4th April 2015. So write 4th April 2015. April, the entry is bills payable account debit to bank account. Okay, so the narration is being third bill honored on due date. Okay, the third bill amount is 7,000. Okay, in this actually every student has got a doubt because of first bill is endorsed to somebody and the second bill is endorsed to somebody. Okay, is there any entries in the books of drawing? Okay, no. Okay, we cannot write any entries in the books of drawing if it's an endorse or bill sent to bank for collection or okay, bill discounted in the bank, any of the situation. Okay, so finally the endorsee is paid amount or not, that is only the entries we should be entered in the books of drawing. Okay, that is a simple entries, that is if it is a goods purchased and if it is a purchased goods. Okay, if it is a drawn the bill, if it is after the drawn the bill. Okay, is it the bill on the due date is honored or not? Okay, so if it is honored, so write entry honored entry. If it is a dishonored, write dishonored entry. If it is a dishonored, is there any charges is met by drawer, and that is a charges also we should be settlement to the drawer. Okay, only these are entries only we should be write in the books of drawing, but not endorse entry or bill discounted in bank entries. So no entries in the books of drawing. Okay, next in the journal entries in the books of endorsee. Okay, endorsee, his name is Adarsh. His name is Adarsh. So finally his Adarsh bill received from Mohan. Okay, so if it is Adarsh point of, it is bills receivable. Okay, the date is, we are assumed now already 1st January 2015. Okay, 15 you can write entry, that is bills receivable account debit, bills receivable account debit to who has given the bill? Mohan account. Okay, so the amount is, which bill is endorsed? First bill only. The first bill amount is 8,000. The first bill amount is 8,000. Okay, so write narration, that is being bill received from Mohan. Okay, that is only the entry. Finally, whatever he received bill, on that bill, okay, the bill is honored on the due date. Means here Adarsh can receive amount, amount on that bill. Actually, that is amount paid by Pradeep, but we don't mention Pradeep name. Okay, actually it is paid by Pradeep only, but we didn't mention any Pradeep names anywhere in the books of Adarsh. So simply you can write, there is a due date of 4th, first bill now only 1 month, 4th Feb of 2015. The entry is bank account debit to bills receivable account. The amount is 8,000 and 8,000. So write narration being bill is honored on due date. Okay, that is only the narration of the last one. Okay, these are only the entries in the books of Adarsh. Okay, and if you like this is the video, and you can share and subscribe this, okay, this channel, and you can forward to your friends. Okay, they also this video very helpful to them for examination.